So you've identified your project that you're going to include in your research and development tax relief claim. What kind of costs can you include in your claim? So there are 4 groups of costs that you can include. The first are your staff costs. That includes not only the employee's salary, but also your employer national insurance contribution, your employer pension contribution, and any expenses paid out of hand by the employee that have been reimbursed to them. Second, you can include your subcontractor costs, including externally provided workers, freelancers, or any company that you've subcontracted part of your research and development out to. You can include those costs at a rate of 65% of the costs incurred to the business, unlike your staff costs, which you can include at 100% rate. Third, we've got consumables. So what we're referring to when we say consumables is anything that you've used up in the course of the R&D. So that would include utilities, but it might also include any materials that you've used up in prototyping your new product. So fourth and finally, we've got software costs. So if you've needed to purchase or pay any kind of subscription on any kind of software product to allow you to perform this research and development, you can include those costs in your research and development tax credit claim. If you've got any questions, feel free to reach out, or if you want any more information, make sure you're watching out for the rest of this video series, which should explain the whole research and development tax credit process in more detail. But for now, thank you and goodbye.